Hello, Tech Savvy, ready to tackle a tech challenge together. Why you should always rename worksheets in Excel. Do you still use Sheet 1, Sheet 2, or Sheet 3 in your Excel files? That might seem harmless, but it can lead to major confusion. When you deal with multiple sheets, default names give you no context. It becomes harder to trace data, especially in large workbooks. Misleading sheet names also increase the risk of using wrong data in formulas. This simple mistake can waste time and cause reporting errors. Today, we'll show you why renaming sheets is essential and exactly how to do it. Let's dive in and rename your sheets the right way. Double-click the Sheet tab at the bottom. Type your new name and press Enter. Right-click the Sheet tab. Select Rename from the menu. Type your new name and press Enter. Select the sheet you want to rename. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Click Format in the Cells group. Choose Rename Sheet from the drop-down. Type your new name and press Enter. Now you've got multiple ways to rename Excel sheets in seconds. Whether it's one sheet or 20, the process is simple. Your files will look cleaner, smarter, and easier to navigate. Make this a habit, and your future self will thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips on Windows. Thanks for watching.